Hello, I'm Big Stan, and today I'm doing a bike check on the Colt AK. Yeah, it's a pretty nice bike, you know. Few custom parts, but it's 87% stock. You see, I got this bad boy off Dance Comp. It's very sexy indeed. You know, I wasn't a big fan about the yellow tires, but on this beast, on my trusty steed, it's pretty nice. Alright, so here we got the Colt AK frame in indigo. Pretty fancy. Stock, honestly couldn't tell you if it's Colt cranks, but stock cranks, 3-piece. They work pretty darn good. I don't know what I said there, but got the Colt PC pedals in black, pretty fancy.
What about the sprocket?
Oh, duh. We got the Shadow Conspiracy Serpent sprocket, pretty awesome. Let's go to the back wheel, shall we?
Like it's custom or something?
Yeah, it's stock, but it looks like it's the Colt match hub. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of hate on this video. I don't care. Stock Colt rim. It's a male hub, if that matters to you. Let's hear what it sounds like. Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Alright, get on with it.
We got the G-Sport peg. I took the front one off because I'm a bitch and don't like the double peg. I just like the feeble. Got the Verde 1000 bean seat, stolen thermalite seat post. Really makes a difference, you know. Bunny Pirate. These grips are custom. If you didn't know, the ODIs do the job. Yep. This goes really good with my bike, I think. Colt Salvation stem. I think they got the volume 2 out right now. This is the first one that came out with. Colt D-Hart tires. Same exact thing with, I said with the front, with the back is the same thing with the front. Front Dance Comp tube, back Walmart tube because it had a pop on me running over a freaking nail. But anyways, oh yeah, can't forget the Colt chain. It's actually pretty fancy if you look really closely. Right there it says Colt. If you want to look at that detail.
I don't think it's gonna focus.
No, that's okay. I think we can. I
think you got it all.
Oh no! These Colt bars. They don't have a name. They're just Colt bars.
All right.
Really want to get the Colt AK bars to go with it. It'd be really nice. And let's end the video on the most important piece. This back
valve cap.
Eight ball valve cap. It's pretty nice.
All right, is that all?
I think so.
All right.
You're just gonna watch me do some pretty fancy tricks on this bad boy. Have a fantastic day.
It is.